Hey everybody, I just walked inside of the 99-cent store and this is at the front door. Look at these cute little chairs. They have a shark, a unicorn, an owl, and I think that's all I see right now. I don't know. Oh, they're $14.99, and then right next to that I see these Kashi boxes that are only 2 for 99 cents, and you get 2 extra large bags. So I thought that was a good deal. And I was here the other day, you guys, and this was not here. This display was not here. And this is my first time actually seeing them having a whole back to school section. So I just wanted to show you guys what they had. The good thing is I don't have to say any prices because everything is 99 cents. So you got those pack of pens, the mechanical pencils, 3 packs of ball pens, dry erase markers, highlighters. What are these? 2 pack of pencil sharpeners. Ooh, those are cute. Retractable gel pens. You got these 10 color pens and these. Some of this stuff is stuff that they already carry. They just kind of threw on the back to school you know, little logo on it, but still pretty cool. They got a whole section. Washable markers, permanent markers. Oh, look at those pencil sharpeners that look like Legos. More pens. Down there you have a compass and a retractor set, some rulers, and over here you got a ruler set. Okay, so on this side they got lead refill right here. Way up at the top there's erasers, paper clips, push pins. Oh, these are cute. Jumbo paper clips, and I like the neon colors on those. These are bamboo, even though they just look like cream color plastic. Gold thumbtacks. These are cute. Little push pins. Magnetic clips. Magnets. You got the big magnetic clips, spiral keychains. Oh, book rings. And then down here, what is this? Assorted size binder clips, card holders, and 2-in-1 badge holders. Okay, on this side, because there's 4 sides, these cute little duck push pins. I like those. And that's the only little animal they have. Jumbo erasers, or this pack, you get 6 of them. And watercolor. That's a nice little set. Some erasers. Building erasers. A calculator. Staples and glue. And sticky notes. Up this side you got some poly sticky notes. These are kind of cool. I like that one. And then let me see if I can get over here because it's kind of stuck in between this little, so I don't know if I can squeeze in there, but there is a tape dispenser set. They have some pencil pouches, different ones. I like that one with the leaves on it. Tape. Scissors. What is this? Crayon box. Oh, that's not bad. And it says stacker, and you get 2 of them. That, and then you got these down here. Oh, these are nice. I like that. And there's a pink, and then there's also blue. So that's not, these are really hard, like durable, for 99 cents. Oh look, I'm not even supposed to be in the toy section, but they have the Elena of Avalor doll here, and it's $5. That's kind of cool. Okay, so this is kind of cool because I remember when these first came out, everybody was going crazy over these fingerlings, and now they're in the 99-cent store for $5.99. That's the only color I see, but that's kind of cool. Wow, here's another item that I remember when it first came out, and these were at Walmart, and they were hard to get too. These are scented plush with confetti fun, and it's like a little confetti pop, and you have a cute little plush doll in there for $1.99. This is definitely good, and I can tell they just put these out because there's only one missing. That's really good. See, stuff like this, if you have a 99-cent store, it would be really, really good to stock up on for Christmas, like stocking stuffers and stuff, because they get some good toys in here. What are these? Glimmies. Turn out the light and Glimmy shine bright. And they have different ones. These are so cute. Look at her. She has like her little sparkle in her eye. Her name is Flayla. Celeste. She's blue. Oh, I like her hair. She's Nova. And let's see, what is this one? Batlinda. Batlinda. That is so cute. Summer fun with the candy shop bubbles. So you have bubbles that shape like a gummy bear, a popsicle, and an ice cream cone. And then up here I see these small fingerlings. Figure included. Card game. Oh, it's a card game. But it's fingerlings. That's kind of cute. It's probably a little collectible figure by Ruckus, I think. And these are $1.99. And then next to it is for $2.99. Disney Nano Metal Figs. 5-pack. Okay, I like me some Scrooge McDuck. And the Queen up there. Cheshire. And Lilo. Okay, I like that. And there's a few. Ooh, look at the metallic Mickey Mouse, Mickey and Minnie, and Woody. Let me see if these are up here. Okay, no, I pulled them out, and this is the only set that I see. Oh, look, they've restocked the corner shelves, the copper color corner shelves, and the pantry shelf. Let me see. Yeah, I thought those were nice, and they're $3.49. Over here I saw these folding backpacks, so it looks like that, and they're $3.99, but you can carry it like that, and then you can take it out when you need it, and it'll pop out like that. And they have green, blue, and black. Let's see, they have this magnetic, it's really big too, magnetic dry erase board. Has easy mount, comes with the pen for $7.99. And then right here I see these super cute Shopkin backpacks for $4.99. I love the pictures on these. And then they have this big pull on it for the zipper. Yeah, and that's the only one that I see. And they got some cute little stickers right here. They got Disney Princess, some unicorns, some dogs and cats, dinosaurs. Oh, look at that. These are called Kid Squad. I've never heard of those. And then you have this one. Batman or Justice League. Mickey. Twisted Whiskers. Paw Patrol. They even have the Trolls down there. The Minions and PJ Masks. Okay, you guys, that's gonna be it for the 99-cent store. I literally just wanted to show you guys the back to school stuff right here, but I ended up walking around looking at other stuff. Oh, that's kind of cool. Look at that clock. It kind of looks like a gold chain link, you know, like the old school chains. That's what it looks like to me. But yeah, so I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you all later. Okay, bye.